What's up, everybody? We're chasing sunsets with Steve and Jay. As you can see, the weather is doing what the weather's been doing. Although right now it's raining. Not too bad, just a drizzle. But you got a little bit of light coming through those clouds. So I've been trying to get some water droplet shots. I completely forgot about you, YouTube. I was actually taking a picture of a spider on one of the bushes, going back up and down, trying to catch him in what looked like the sun. Hopefully the shot comes out pretty decent. So right now I'm looking for any type of water droplet shots that I can possibly get. Because look at that over there. It's kind of lighting up a little bit. Look at all that water down there. I see it's actually been pouring off and on for the last, I think, an hour and a half. I'm just looking for a good shot. Something that has a bunch of water droplets like that right there is a decent shot. But it's too low. That is too low. If I can get it, it's just too low. And this grass is too daggone high. And let's see, let me go up here and check these two right here out. See what I got. And I'm holding my camera down so no water droplets get on the lens. I mean, it's water resistant, not waterproof. Whistling ducks doing their things. Sun's, I don't know. There you got a rainbow trying to form. I always look behind when the sun is out and it's raining, especially if I'm on the wildlife drive. I don't really see. I check the bushes. Not the bushes, the pine trees, and I'm just not seeing any really good shot. I'm really not seeing any good shot or a bunch of droplets or anything like that. Let's go down this way. I mean, I think it might light up. I just don't have a good shot right now. I don't have a good shot. Looks like we're gonna get another early glow. There's starting to light up a little bit because of that wall cloud right there. Man, it's not a good shot. What about back here? Yeah, see, the pine trees don't have enough water holding on them to be worth a good shot. I think I got an idea though. I think I got an idea. Yeah, got us water. I got the wrong type of shoes on today for that. So what I'm gonna do is shoot from the road. Bigfoot's been here. Well, I still got enough light. I think if I can shoot through the... here's a spider. Oh man, there he is. It's got a nice, decent web right now. Man, if the rain was hitting that web, that's a hot shot right there. So, and if I had a spray bottle, I would actually spray that web just to get some droplets on it. And it's not enough, or it's not big enough to retain. So let me see. Let me pause it, see if I can get this shot. Actually, this stupid stick wasn't in the way. It's not a bad shot, but that's not what I'm trying to get the shot through these weeds right here. The shot came out okay. Wasn't all that, but I was hoping for something to maybe get a shot like that, but it's just not in the cards today. It's just not in the cards today to get that shot. It's disappointing, very disappointing. But you can see our buddy the spider is doing his thing. I mean, it wasn't even like this when I got here. I mean, that's the best shot of the day right there. I was hoping it was gonna light up, but it doesn't look like it's gonna do that either. What time is it? It is 7:33. Hey Google. Hey Google, what time is sunset?
Today, sunset is at 7:34 p.m.
7:34. So here as you're looking behind us, you got that glow right there. A little bit right there. Nothing behind us to the east. I mean, it still can do something. So what do I have to lose but time? I mean, that thing right there, I can use that as a tripod. But I mean, there's really nothing to shoot right now. And this is the thing about chasing sunsets. You will get wet sometimes. Just make sure you bring a cloth to wipe your lens with, just in case it does get wet. Although this Tamron, I went back to the Tamron today only because it's 300 versus the 135, and I can like shoot from a little bit far away. But it's been acting up as far as, I don't know, it's just got a smear on it, and I don't understand why. Even when I clean it with the alcohol wipes, that it's not coming clean like it used to. So, I mean, you got this glow right here. So that gives me an indication right there that can do something. So, I mean, I do see it lighten up. So I may be able to compensate and get a decent shot over here, hopefully. So please hit the like and subscribe. This is not even 10 minutes, but I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys viewing. Appreciate you guys more if you subscribe and hit the like button. So have a blessed evening. Stay dry, and I'll see you on the chase tomorrow. And if I get any additional shots, I'm just gonna post them after, like I always do. So have a blessed one. I guess I stopped the video too soon. Look at what it's doing right now. It just lit up. And I mean, this is pretty decent. So I wanted you guys to see it, because this right here is the magic of Lake Apopka right here. I mean, right here is the magic of Lake Apopka, where you think it's not gonna do jack bone. And then all of a sudden it just like lights up out of nowhere. So this is the Lake Apopka effect right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I chase. So again, hit that like and subscribe button. Let me get some shots. Yo, it is still going on right now. I can get this road. that light out of there. But it is still going on right now. Look at that. If I can get... Oh, that's a decent shot right there with the road. But this is why I chase, guys. This is why I chase, and this is why I never leave. So, peace out. Like and subscribe. See what my car looks like in here. Sometimes it has a good shot. Nissan might like it. Oh, it's 10 minutes after sunset, and it's still looking pretty good out here. Everything is just fading, but spectacular. Spectacular. Oh man, if I was at Magnolia Park, that would just be hot right now to get that, as I know the lake would have been at least calm a little bit, but today was good. So again, once again, I don't want to step in that big old puddle of water. Please like and please subscribe. Chasing Sunsets with who? Your boy, Stephen J. Have a blessed one.